Hello, this is Layman's reaction to Patty Gurdy. The song is Cold Winds by request.
So schön war dieser Herbst, der Himmel blau und blau, die Sonne ewig strahlend. Und so wollte ich nicht sehen, den Schatten, der darunter lag. Nun ziehen Nebel um das Haus und decken alles zu mit ihren grauen Laken. Dunkelheit schleicht sich heran, so schwarz, dass ich es kaum ertrag. Kalte Winde wehen durchs Haus. Was kann ich tun? Was kann ich tun? Alle Feuer gingen aus. Was kann ich tun? Was kann ich tun?
This is interesting that she may later, but she's not like there just playing the hurdy-gurdy. This is more of a I think some people might focus too much on the hurdy-gurdy and not appreciate her as a singer, as a performer. So in this video, at least so far, we're getting to see her as a singer and not just as a yeah.
Was kann ich tun? Was kann ich tun? Leis legt das Jahr sich zu. Kalte Winde wehen, bald schon deckt Schnee alles zu. Immerfort dreht sich das Rad auf buntes Lauffeld Schnee, auf Liebe fort vergessen. Blumen welken rasch dahin, die einmal blühten dort im Haus. Eben noch vom Glück berauscht, entgleitet Stück für Stück der letzte Hauch von Wärme. Dunkelheit schleicht sich heran, so schwarz, dass ich es kaum ertrag. So schwarz, dass ich es kaum ertragen kann. Kalter Wind, der weht durchs Haus. Was kann ich tun? Was kann ich tun? Alle Feuer gingen aus. Was kann ich tun? Was kann ich tun? Leis legt das Jahr sich zur Ruhe. Kalte Winde wehen, bald schon deckt Schnee alles zu.
This is interesting for a couple other reasons. The variety of instruments that we're seeing people placed around in the house, and a big one. The lyrics are, shall I say, just a little dark. Oh, no pun intended, because she's talking about it being dark. Winter's coming, and the snow and the cold and the yeah.
Schwarz und kalt sind alle Zimmer, fern der Frühlingssonne Licht. Erst ein Kuss, so voller Wärme, bringt mir alles Glück zurück. Kalter Wind, der weht durchs Haus. Was kann ich tun? Was kann ich tun? Alle Feuer gingen aus. Was kann ich tun?
better one. Oh. There we go. Trying to find a good picture to stop on. Actually, that picture fits right in with the song. Um, so, winter's coming. What can you do? Um, there was that one line about the only thing that could warm her up was a kiss, something like that. Um, so while the song was not real bright, uh, as far as the lyrics goes, the music and the tempo and all of that kind of was bright and fun and nice, and the chorus part, easy to follow. Um, I've run across a few songs recently that are kind of both ways. The music and they're lively and fun like, and then but if you really listen to the words, it's not really so much. uh, I like this one. I thought it was interestingly made with the different rooms and the snow stuff and the the different instruments. The way she performed this one, we got a little bit of the hurdy-gurdy. I'm sure that was intentional to make sure that got put in, so that not just her singing, but we had something to reference. But her performance as a singer in this was very good. I liked it. I like her voice. I like the way she sings. Her expressions while she sings. It was all good. So, thanks for that suggestion. I like this. I hope you did. Feel free to comment, subscribe, and hit that like button.